Very good morning, children. L.K. Tripathi is here as SST teacher. Dear students, as we have been discussing about geography, chapter 4, the topic is climate. In the last video, we have seen about the winter weather season. Now, in this video, we shall study about the hot weather season, that is summer. Now, let's start. Due to the apparent northward movement of the sun, the global heat belt shifts northward as such from March to May. It is hot weather season. Why does it happen? It happens due to northward movement of the sun. It means this is just opposite of the winter weather season. In winter weather season, the sun is absolutely southward movement. That's why the northward gets cold. When sun moves to the northern hemisphere, it happens in the month of March. When winter declines, slowly the movement of sun goes to the northwards. When sun goes to the northern hemisphere, the season becomes hot due to the movement of the sun. We experience always. This is called the rotation of season. In India, the influence of the shifting of the heat belt can be seen clearly from temperature recordings taken during March to May at different latitude. No doubt, the shifting of heat belt we experience and it influences very clearly the temperature recording between March to May. At different latitudes are there in the country and different types of temperature we can record from the places. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius recorded on the Deccan Plateau. In the southern part of the country, in this month, mentioned means March, the temperature goes to 38 degrees Celsius. In April, temperatures in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are around 42 degrees Celsius. This is difference of the temperature from Deccan Plateau to Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. This is due to the latitudinal variations. In May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius is common in the northwestern parts of the country. In peninsular India, temperatures remain lower due to the moderating influence of the oceans. The summer months experience rising temperature and falling air pressure in the northern part of the country. Towards the end of May, an elongated low pressure area develops in the region extending from the Thar Desert in the northwest to Patna and Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east and southeast. मई ख़त्म होने के बाद एक जो है एलोंगेटेड लो प्रेशर बनता है, लो प्रेशर एरिया डेवलप होती है ऐसे रीजन्स में, जैसे थार डेजर्ट है जो हमारे उत्तर पश्चिम में लोकेटेड है और वहाँ से पटना तक, छोटा नागपुर प्लेटू तक, ईस्ट में, साउथ ईस्ट में ये इस तरह का टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो जाता है, अलग तरह का. Circulation of air begins to set in around this trough. इस ट्रॉफ में सर्कुलेशन शुरू हो जाता है और टेम्परेचर यहाँ वेरी करने लगता है. A striking feature of the hot weather season is the low. There are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India. There is a hot wind that is known low. It is a local name of the wind. Sometimes they even continue until late in the evening. कभी कभी ये लो देर शाम तक चलती है लगातार, और ये लो एक गर्म हवा होती है जिसको हम सभी अपने रीजन में भी एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं. डायरेक्ट एक्सपोजर टू दीज विंड्स मे इवन प्रूव टू बी फैटल. मतलब ये बहुत ही घातक सिद्ध होती है, कभी कभी बहुत ही फैटल होती है. डस्ट स्टॉर्म आर वेरी कॉमन ड्यूरिंग द मंथ ऑफ मे इन नॉर्दर्न इंडिया. इन द मंथ ऑफ मे dust also is spread in the air and we can see it due to low hot wind blowing from western part, northwestern part of the country. These storms bring temporary relief as they lower the temperature and may bring light rain and cool breeze. This is also the season for localized thunderstorms associated with violent winds, torrential downpours, often accompanied by hail. In West Bengal, these storms are known as the Kal Baisakhi. Towards the close of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. They hail in the early ripening of mangoes and are often referred to as mango sauce. Now, advancing monsoon, that is the rainy season. By early June, the low pressure condition over the northern plains intensifies. It attracts the trade winds of the southern hemisphere. These southeast trade winds originate over the warm subtropical areas of the Southern Ocean. In this way, we have seen about the hot season, that is summer season, through this video. Now we shall study much more about this chapter in the next video. Till then, you have to prepare your task in proper way. Also, write more and more questions there in your book. Create questions, paragraph wise, find the answer accordingly and do in PC. So rest of the things are there in the last video also, as you have studied, and after that we shall start the next chapter, that is chapter 5. That will be your last chapter. We shall come to watch and know. Till then, goodbye. If it is difficult to understand, let me explain again this point. See, the influence of the shifting of the heat belt. जो हीट बेल्ट की शिफ्टिंग है वो प्रभावित होती है, ये पूरी अच्छी तरह से देखा जा सकता है। जो टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है मार्च और मई के बीच में डिफरेंट लैटिट्यूड्स पर, ये वेरिएशंस है, लैटिट्यूडनल वेरिएशंस हैं, अलग अलग लैटिट्यूड पर अलग अलग टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्ड करते हैं। जैसा वहाँ की क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन भी उसमें रोल करती है। जैसे साउथ पार्ट में जाएंगे तो वहाँ की कंडीशन कुछ और है, नॉर्थ में जाएंगे वहाँ की कंडीशन कुछ और है, हिली रीजन्स में जाते हैं वहाँ का टेम्परेचर कुछ और है। सो दिस इज़ ड्यू टू द लैटिट्यूडनल वेरिएशंस of the country. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius, recorded on the Deccan Plateau. दक्षिण में जो डेक्कन प्लेटू है उस वहाँ का हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर 38 डिग्री सेल्सियस रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है मार्च और मई में। मतलब दैट इज़ लेसर देन द नॉर्दर्न टेम्परेचर ऑफ दिस मंथ। In April, temperature in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are around 42 degrees Celsius. In May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius is common in the northwestern parts of the country. In peninsular India, temperatures remain lower due to the moderating influence of the oceans. That's all. We shall see the next in next video.